Okay, good morning boys. So, saan ba tayo mag
Tara na.
Today we're heading towards the preparation for the wedding. Yeah, went to sleep late, but we're pumped up and ready to go. So, yeah. Early Macca's run today. It's around 7:43. Too early for the wedding. And these guys are hungry. I'm just relaxed. That it is. Okay, here we go. Jim, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a shit at the bride's spout room. Not in the room, in the toilet, I mean.
Tips.
I-close na natin, sabihin natin mag-green shot muna kami sa toilet.
Oh shit, are we gonna fit? Oh!
Where are you riding?
Okay, give me one happy dance. Yeah, that's it, that's it. So apparently day one, after shooting the details, well, when we started shooting the details, I stopped recording because it was a full-on day. So these are the only clips I have, and then we move on to the next day. Like the next day we went back to Melbourne to shoot for Aldine, and this is the only clips, or these are the only clips that I have. Hey, it's Monday and it's an awesome 31 degrees right now. I stopped vlogging last Friday because I was shooting wedding in Canberra. It was very hectic. I have to do the same day edit. I was working with the Rock Motion project and also JM Sagarda photography. So yeah, we did everything great. Same day it was done. I might post them anytime soon, but yeah, after that we had to travel directly to Melbourne. So we drove. I'm gonna thank JM for the 5-hour drive that he did. It was really awesome. I had to do 2.5 hours more, but yeah, everything was great. And then I arrived home at around 6 a.m. Went to sleep for a while, took a bath, took a shower, and I had to shoot for Aldine then. So yeah, I went directly to the location and we did a shoot. It was awesome. I was a bit sleepy and tired, but everything went out right. Aldine finishes as the same day edit. I got to know Young, and yeah, that was Saturday. Sunday was downtime. I had to go to sleep, be in bed, woke up late, didn't do anything. Yeah, like 2 days of no sleep and work. Like if I shoot for 2 days and don't travel that far, it's a bit tiring. But for that case, I was traveling a lot. All good though. So yeah, today's Monday. Continue with the vlog. Let's go. I'm heading towards this train station. Yeah. So I got this kid to cut my hair, and he did this. Jimmy Neutron style. Took him a while to finish because he was taking his time, and he even took a photo of me for his Instagram or Facebook. But that's fine. Anyway, I'll find something. Now the weather is so damn hot, I need to walk all the way to Melbourne Central. Oh well. Gotta lose some fats now. Shit, it's 33 degrees. DJI. Quick unboxing of my DJI gears that I got from the mail. Let's see how it goes. Let's do it again. Here's the quick unboxing of my DJI gears that I got from the mail. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Trusty card cutter we have here. Better keep this shit. It's kind of hot today. It's around 30 degrees in Melbourne. So I'm at Melbourne Central, in between Emporium and yeah, trying to open this stuff. So the box is too big, but there are only 2 items here. There's one that's the DJI Smart controller. It's a bracket for the Crystal Sky, and this one here is for the intelligent battery, because I wanted 2 batteries just in case the other one's not charged, so I have one for backup. Here it is. So I know how the battery looks like. So I'm just gonna open this one out. I'm gonna open the bracket for the Mavic controller to the Crystal Sky. I don't know what I'm talking now. I can't hear myself. It's so noisy out here. But I just want to open this up here. Let's see. Packaging's good. DJI packaging's good. Oh, didn't expect it to be very big. But yeah, here it is. Okay. So I have the screws inside also. So I put this aside. I'm taking that camera. The mounting bracket. It's quite big as I expected it. I can mount it to my controller now. Let's see. thing I didn't like about this mount is that the back part, you can see the cable's too long and it tends to fold. But other than that, like handling, it's really good. Sturdy. Yeah, I'm loving the setup. This is good. Really awesome. Okay, time to go home now. Or go somewhere else. iPhone X. No, I'm like getting one. Oh shit, this is awkward. Shit, this is really awkward. Press the button. Yep, awkward. Feels like summer today in Melbourne. Today's Tuesday, November 14th. My last day of holidays. I'll be out on a shoot. DJ Pearly. Working with JM today. And it's so hot. I'm walking towards the train station. And I hope today's gonna be good. As you all can see, I've managed to compress my vlogs into one, like days of vlogs, because most of the times I don't have anything to put, because I spend most of the days editing, and there's nothing happening when I'm editing. But yeah, so yeah, I just realized how hard it is to vlog, like daily vlogs, like what the vloggers do. But yeah, it's still fun though. Anyway, I need to walk faster because the sun is melting me. Yeah. Time lapse.
It's alright.
That should be good.
Do we want some natural light?
For now we're going with that because we can try to fix the one coming behind.
Oh gosh, I should move some of my... I'll move my speakers.
Okay.
I'll move this one. Hungry? Do you want to eat first?
We'll set it up first.
Okay, you set it
Because
up.
when we get full, we don't want to move anymore. We just want to sit down. Are you hungry?
Nah, just had a burger and fries.
You prefer shooting him, JM, than her? Him. Okay, he's passing the camera to me now. Okay. So yeah, we're heading out now. Say goodbye to Naomi and Ashley. Ashley, right?
Ashley, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have Instagram?
I think so.
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See ya.
What are your Instagrams?
Oops. It's Wednesday and I'm back to work. Like, everything just goes fast. I was so excited for my holidays 3 weeks ago, and like in no time I'm heading to work. Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna perform today, but I'll try to my best. But yeah, sometimes when you go on holidays, everything, time goes so fast that you don't notice that you've been burning time. And as for me, I still have a lot of things to do, but I'm not able to do it. But hopefully I can. Anyway, need to catch a train now. Lovely day today, 22 and 33. Yeah.